What is the difference between the greenhouse effect and ozone depletion? Have you ever wondered how our atmosphere works to protect us and keep the planet warm? Today, we are going to discuss two important concepts: the greenhouse effect and ozone depletion. While they both relate to our atmosphere, they are quite different in how they function and the effects they have on our environment. First, let's talk about the greenhouse effect. This is a natural process that occurs when certain gases in the Earth's atmosphere trap heat from the sun. These gases, known as greenhouse gases, include carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, nitrous oxide, and even ozone at certain levels. They allow sunlight to enter the atmosphere but prevent some of the heat from escaping back into space. This process is essential for maintaining a warm climate that supports life on Earth. However, human activities like burning fossil fuels and deforestation have increased the concentration of these gases. This intensification leads to global warming, which results in rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and more extreme weather events. Now, let's shift our focus to ozone depletion. Ozone depletion refers to the thinning of the ozone layer, which is located in the stratosphere about 10 to 30 miles above the Earth's surface. The ozone layer is vital because it absorbs and blocks most of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation. Human-made chemicals, particularly chlorofluorocarbons, which were once widely used in refrigeration and aerosol sprays, break down ozone molecules in the stratosphere. This breakdown creates holes in the ozone layer, allowing more ultraviolet radiation to reach the Earth. Increased exposure to ultraviolet radiation can lead to higher rates of skin cancer, cataracts, and can harm ecosystems and wildlife. So, what are the key differences between these two phenomena? The greenhouse effect involves the trapping of heat by gases in the atmosphere, which warms the planet. In contrast, ozone depletion involves the loss of ozone in the stratosphere, leading to increased ultraviolet radiation reaching the surface. Greenhouse gases include carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor, while ozone depletion is primarily caused by substances like chlorofluorocarbons that destroy ozone molecules. The greenhouse effect affects global temperatures and climate patterns, while ozone depletion mainly impacts ultraviolet radiation levels and related health risks. Interestingly, these two issues are interconnected. Ozone depletion can allow more solar radiation to reach the Earth, potentially influencing temperature patterns. Ozone itself is also a greenhouse gas, but its protective role in the stratosphere is more important than its contribution to warming. Policymakers need to understand these differences to create effective environmental policies. Protecting the ozone layer requires controlling specific chemicals that harm it, while reducing the greenhouse effect involves cutting emissions of a broader range of gases linked to energy use. Both challenges requiring international cooperation and regulatory frameworks. In summary, the greenhouse effect warms the Earth by trapping heat, while ozone depletion reduces the atmosphere's ability to block harmful ultraviolet radiation. Each phenomenon impacts our planet in different ways and requires targeted responses to protect our environment and health.